In June of 2006, I was privileged to participate in an energy tour of areas in East Tennessee where they had renewable energy resources highlighted. And I participated after I got home from that. One of the activities that I needed to do, besides purchase my green power blocks for myself, was to come back to the children in my classroom. And in that year, we participated more in learning the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy resources. And we also, in turn, were to instruct other children within my school. We targeted the 3rd grade, and they participated in an energy carnival in which my students were experts on the advantages of participating in renewable resources for generating electricity. And I feel like that as a coach for them and as an instructor, I encourage them to consider in the future that turning to a renewable energy resource would be a better plan for the future. Although it's difficult to explain to people who flip a switch and say thank you for the electricity and everything, the sources that we use now are not always going to be available. Whether you're looking at petroleum or you're looking at coal, they may last for many more years, but eventually we're going to have to use other energy resources. The non-renewable ones won't be along, the renewable ones will be. Things that won't disappear, like wind and sun and biomass. And I believe that we need to start considering now how we're going to rely on those in the future when the other is gone.